Hello friends, today we are learning rhyming words. If you like this video, please subscribe.
Cat,
Bat,
dog,
frog,
hat,
rat,
bone,
gun,
chart,
mat,
cop,
mop,
fan,
man,
jet,
wait,
net,
pet,
pig,
wig,
pop,
top,
run,
sun,
pan,
van,
cake,
lake,
make,
take,
ball,
call,
fall,
wall,
bee,
see,
tree,
tree,
house,
blouse,
beer,
beer,
chair,
hair,
jar,
car,
star,
far,
play,
say,
way,
me,
cow,
wow,
bow,
how,
bell,
well,
sail,
tail,
hen,
pain,
ten,
den,
zoo,
boo,
moon,
spoon,
rain.
train.
Like, share, and subscribe.